Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about virtual phone numbers for WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a great way to stay connected with friends and family, but it also requires you to share your personal phone number. But if you're not comfortable with that, a virtual phone number can be a great solution. Virtual phone numbers are phone numbers that are not tied to a physical device. They can be used to make and receive calls and texts, just like a regular phone number. There are a number of reasons why you might want to use a virtual phone number for WhatsApp. Perhaps you want to keep your personal phone number private. Or maybe you travel internationally often and don't want to rack up roaming charges. Virtual phone numbers can also be a good option for businesses that want to provide a WhatsApp number to their customers. There are a number of apps that offer virtual phone numbers, including Hushed and TextNow. These apps typically allow you to choose a phone number from a variety of different countries. You can then use that number to sign up for WhatsApp and start chatting with your friends and family. So, if you're looking for a way to keep your personal phone number private, or if you want to save money on international calling, a virtual phone number may be the right solution for you. CallMama, connecting people with loved ones.